So the countdown has begun, and we don't have a lot of time to talk about this, but I will tell you what the best manifestation method is. Is it affirmations? Is it scripting? Is it visualizations? Is it subliminals? Hell no, and you already know this. It's a combination of three words that are actually the same word: certainty, authority, and conviction. It means the same in terms of manifestation. But where does Paul look for his Porsche in the morning? Nowhere. It's in the garage. Does she manifest having a Porsche? No. Does she visualize having a Porsche? Might not do that, right? And it's because when you do these things, you are becoming a better version of yourself, but you are also becoming a version of you that needs to do this. And that's not manifestation. Manifestation is not a magic trick. Manifestation is a universal law. You can have what you are. So become it. Don't try to become it. Become it. Don't do exercises. Find that conviction that you can have anything you want. Your dreams, they are not in the future. Your dreams are memories of a different timeline that you can enter right now if you just believe it. Believe in it. Find your inner authority. Claim the throne, right? Find that conviction. Find that certainty. You are it. Close your eyes and just tell yourself, it's me. I am. It's all me. It's all my doing. I can have it when I want it. I just need to become it. That's it. Thank you.